I always was quiet, and even though I'm an extrovert person, I was acting like an introvert because I couldn't express, and I was afraid to tell them what I think and what I thought. But in the back of my mind, I knew that I needed to polish my English to get better. I'm not afraid to talk to anyone anymore. I talk to the teachers and with people at supermarkets and pharmacy, everywhere, at the park. Even my kids, my husband, my friends, they tell Debbie, you're improving a lot and you feel confident. I am so thrilled to be part of this community, and it makes a lot of difference in my life. Gracias. Thank you. Obrigada. Bye.